Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. My name's Tiffany and today I'm going to be sharing with you the newest kit from Travel with the 1407. This one is inspired by Santorini, Greece. I love this kit and I'm so excited about it. Before we jump in, I want to go over just a couple of things. So I get this kit ahead of time because I'm on the design team. It releases Friday, May 18th at noon Eastern time. The other thing is if you've purchased in the past, it's all together on the1407planners.com now. It's one website. So follow the link below if you're at all confused, but travelwiththe1407.com is no more. It's all one website. And you can use my code, which you'll see down here below, for 10% off anything in the shop, this kit or inserts or anything else that you might like. Okay, now that that's done, we're gonna get started. As always, you get 8 beautiful double-sided pages. So it actually ends up being 16 different images. It's really a great deal, and it's beautiful. They're all exclusive artwork specifically done for the kit by Natasha's sister-in-law, so they're beautiful. And they're 8.5 by 11 no matter what size kit you buy, so you can just cut it down to work with your individual planner. So we've got this beautiful horizontal full-size landscape, and on the back is this dome with the cute little hidden flamingo, which isn't very hidden this month, and a bunch of travel phrases, which you'll see later on in the kit as well. I'll read them off of the journaling cards where I am less likely to mess them up. I keep having issues with these ones. Personal problem. You've got this beautiful horizontal beach landscape. If you look closely, the detail's amazing. There's beach umbrellas and a boat. It's just gorgeous. And the back of this one is this beautiful pink floral. Okay, then we have this one, which has 2 landscapes, and you see these full size on another page, but these are half-size sheets. So if you have a pocket planner, for instance, you can cut these and just fold them in half. They'll go perfectly around an insert. And if you use a larger planner, you can cut these down and use them with for layering. I'll be showing another video later in the week of how I use these papers to set up my traveler's notebook, so maybe that'll give you some ideas. On the back of that is this gorgeous climbing path. And then there is, Oh Darling, Let's Be Adventurers with wine bottles and grapes. And the back of this one is a larger floral pattern. So let me compare these two for you. You can see it's a much larger pattern. And then lastly, this month we have a special treat. We always get 1 vellum, but this month we have 2. I think Natasha just couldn't pick. So this one matches the paper that has all the travel phrases. This one is the flowers, and it's vellum. You can see it's translucent. Okay, so that's the paper and vellum. But we're just getting started. It always comes with 2 inserts. The inserts are the only thing in the whole kit that are size specific. So this is a B6 size. If you order a pocket, they'll be pocket size, but everything else on the kit will be the same. The sizes that are offered are pocket, A6, B6, and standard, I believe. So this one is the combo insert, so it has an undated monthly and then several weeks, this vertical style. The columns are all 1.5 inches wide so that you can use all the popular sticker kits. There's a few pages of to-do lists and then a few pages for notes. And this is just such a versatile, really useful insert. I love it. This one says Santorini, and it's got some of the images from the kit, including the donkey, who is my new best friend. And this one is just blank on one page and dot grid on the other. The last few months we've had some kind of imagery over here, and I really love that too, but this is just super versatile. And if I don't finish it this month, you know, this insert can be used anytime. It's really great. Okay, next we'll get into the bags of goodies. The bags this month are white paper, and that's awesome because I'm going to be using them for layering as well. It's another kind of texture, which is really fun, I think. Let's start with this really exciting addition this month, which is an adhesive pocket. It's small enough to fit in a pocket-sized TN. It's a little bit translucent and printed with the beautiful floral imagery. Love it. So pretty, and I can't wait to use it. The charm this month, probably just because I am a floral girl. No, really, I can't take credit. But I'm very excited because it's this beautiful flower. And the washi this month, I think that Natasha's just been knocking it out of the park with the washi every single month with these destination kits. I love it so much. This one is a very watercolored navy blue or royal blue with white, and it it really looks like the mountainscape in Greece, but it also kind of has like a nautical feel. And just because it's watercolor, I think it's incredibly versatile and will be able to be used long after the kit is done. I'm going to try to roll this up, not terribly. Die cuts. The 1407 die cuts are really heavy duty cardstock. I always like to mention this. They're so durable. They're really great. So there's the iconic Santorini dome, that floral imagery, some grapes, my new best friend, and a bottle of wine. Let's grab everything out of this last bag here. Here are those journaling cards. Okay, the phrases say, you don't need magic to disappear. All you need is a destination. To travel is to inspire and to be inspired. And oh, darling, let's be adventurers. So that's the 3 journaling cards. They're 3 by 4. We get 3 paper doilies of different sizes. There's a blue and then 2 different whites. Sticky notes as always. Some vinyl tabs. These are great because you do need to write on them with a permanent marker, but because they're vinyl, they're really sturdy, like they don't rip, and they'll last all month. I love them. And last but not least, a page of deco stickers, which is also vinyl. And then if you choose, there are 2 items you can add on with the kit. So you can order these a la carte, separately, all by themselves, or you can add them to the kit, whichever way you'd like. This is the Today insert, and it has this format. So it has the date, and you can choose the day of the week. Your hydration box is a box for whatever you'd like, some notes, an hourly schedule, a to-do list, and then a dot grid on the side. And the whole insert just looks like that. So that's the Today insert, available in all the sizes. And then this is the vinyl cover. Normally I put this together before the video, so I apologize that I didn't do that this week. There you can see the whole back of it. And it comes with the elastic to string it, and it's very, very simple. And the directions for how to string it come in the kit. So there's a link, and it tells you how to do it. It's 2 interior elastics, and they're the same size, so it makes it really easy with jump bands to add like even 4 or 5 inserts to it. Again, sometime this week I will be posting a video that shows start to finish how I use these things to set up this traveler's notebook, so I hope you tune into that. Once again, this is releasing Friday, May 18th at noon Eastern on the1407planners.com, and you can always use my code BREATHE CREATE DANCE for 10% off. Thanks again so much for watching, and I hope you have a great day.